Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Lina Marlina. I am 39 years old. I am from Ciamis of Indonesia. My height is 145 cm. My weight is 48 kg. I am single mom. I have a children. My last education is senior high school. I am Muslim. I have experience in Brunei Darussalam 2 years. My job is housekeeping, cooking, and take care of grandma. I can cook Indonesian food and a little Chinese food. I can cook steamed fish, vegetable, and fried chicken. I want going to Hong Kong because I need money for my son, my family, and my future. This is my introduction. Thank you very much for the attention. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye.